Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are watching my YouTube video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. What you will need for this video: 1. You need hatunnel app. You can get that from Play Store. Just go to Play Store and search for hatunnel. 2. You need SNI box server. 3. You need 0 KB to 1 KB network provider. Example, we have MTN, Glo, Airtel and 9mobile. Any network provider that can reach up to 0 KB. If you want to learn how to get the SNI box server, I recommend you watch this tutorial to the end. Let's start working on how to use hatunnel and SNI server for free browsing. So on our data connection, you can see it is using bits per second, so we are going to test it on Twitter. Let's see whether our Twitter will work. So cannot retrieve tweet at this time because there is no network connection. So what we will do is that we go to hatunnel now and open our hatunnel app and start using the SNI to access free browsing. So this is the hatunnel app. Ensure you download this hatunnel app from Play Store and install it on your Android device. So we are going to open the hatunnel app. When you open the hatunnel app, this is the first thing you will see. This is the first thing it will be showing. So what you do, you click on this drop down here, then you click on custom SNI. So since you have clicked on custom SNI, then the custom SNI you are going to be using for this tutorial is ncdc dot gov dot ng. Let's close all this space. So this is it. Then you will click on start. I think now I count video to get more time, but I think this NCDC is about 50 MB. So each SNI, it depends on the SNI you have. Each SNI have their limit. Some is unlimited, so I am using the one I have limit for this tutorial. So you can work on how to get unlimited SNI that you use for your own. Now, let's say you want to send this SNI to somebody, your friend. You want to send the file to somebody. The page do not create it. So what you do is that you come at this three dot by the right hand side and click it. There will be a drop down. You press import or export. Then you press export configure. Then sign in. What do you want to have? Let's say I want to name the file with pop. This stands for point of power. Then add a description. I'll take the add a description button. So we're going to add a description. You can only use HTML to add your description. For those that know more about programming and know more have knowledge about HTML, you can add any type of HTML tag script you want. So I'll just add free. Page 1 free browsing. Now close the HTML tag. So you can see some of the messages WhatsApp is dropping. So that means it's still working. We're still going to check our Twitter account whether it will load. Now that I've finished, then I'll click on export file. The file has been saved. So now our file has been saved in HTML. The location should be in the hatunnel. So imagine you want to create it and someone send it to you and you want to use it. What you simply do is that you press on this and 3 line by the left hand side. There will be a drop down that shows import configure. Then you press on this import configure. Then you locate the file. If the person send the file through Xender, then you should go to Xender and locate the file. But the file I created, you should find the file in the hatunnel plus location. Then you press the hatunnel plus location. This is the file I created. You can press on. You can see some messages are dropping from these messages from Twitter. So that means we are connected and it is working. So you press on pub.hat. That is the file we created. This is some of the one I have created. If I click on this one now, this one there's a lot of HTML tags attached to it. If you click on it, you see the description. This is the description. Point of power MTMB daily. Follow us on Telegram. Point of power for more updates on new script. So this is it. So it's the same thing. So you can also click. Let me import the file I created now. The file I just created now. This is the file I just created now. You can see the description is different. This one description only carry free value. So now this is for free browsing. So let's go and check our Twitter whether it is. So now let's go and check our Twitter. Now it is working now. The Twitter open. This is it. This is done. I think more messages are coming from WhatsApp too. So just click on search. Retry. So see it has open. Look at today update. Let's check this bug. Let's check this follow show update and see. Please take note that whenever you are connected, you will see this sign showing at the top. How to search for SNI server. To get SNI server, I would recommend you go to www.howdy.id. This is how the page will look like. Scroll down and select Find SNI. Upon selection, it should be on this page. Select your country. And if you don't like any of these SNI display above, you can use the 1 to 5 to navigate through different pages and select any of the SNIs you want. Upon selection, click on the SNI, then it will take you to the next page. Click on the check caption box, then click on check the SNIs. But before that, I just want you to take note of this, that SNI may still be alive but not working in your country because it does not belong to your country. And also, not all network providers that allow SNIs to work on them, like the one we use in this tutorial, will only work with MTN and Airtel. When this page opens up, just copy the ncdc.gov.ng link and use it for your hatunnel. And Please don't forget to leave comment